dudong, mga dong, mga dun, mga madam, mga sir, mga ma'am. Good morning sa inyong lahat. Before I start my vlog, I wanna greet Mr. AMIR WALEED. He's to those people who doesn't know, Mr. AMIR WALEED is a half Qatari, half Filipino, and I really wanted to say thank you so much for your support to those people who are starting and making vlog. It really means a lot to me because I'm a small YouTuber also, and I really appreciate it about what you made the vlog that I saw, that you know it's really inspired me to grow and to make more videos. Thank you so much. I'm a big fan of yours, and I always learn small things, me given a confidence to do more vlogs also as a small YouTuber here. Thank you for giving me confidence and to inspire me to do something, making a vlog. So thank you so much, Mr. AMIR WALEED. I really appreciate it. I wish you watch this video, and God bless us all. Mr. AMIR WALEED, thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. I want to say thank you for being who you are, for being a simple guy. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that one because you are a real man and you really explore for being a Filipino. You really do things that can relate to those who OFW are there. I'm very lucky enough that you're sharing tips for being how to boost your viewers, your subscribers. So it really means a lot to me. Thank you for the hard work. Thank you for being a supportive person as a Filipino. You know, it will help those people who wanted to be a vlogger, for those people who are inspiring to be a vlogger. So maraming salamat, and God bless you, and I know that you are good. That's the reason why I do this vlog, because it really means a lot to me. Really, I always saying that it means a lot.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to those people who are watching today.
Yes, today. This is my sixth that you watch, like, share, and comment, and please subscribe my channel. So today's vlog is all about my revelation about my freezer. Yes, my freezer. Because I want to show you what inside my freezer. To those people who working abroad, you know already what I mean, and you know already that you relate about what I mean too. So every salary that we get, we always think about our sahud, our salary. Yes, we always divided that one for our allowance, and for our family sent back to our loved ones in the Philippines. So we will reveal what inside my freezer. So we will check and we will see. Really, mga dudong, mga auntie, mga madam, mga don, magre-reveal na ako sa aking mahiwagang freezer. Ato na tanaw unsay sulod atong freezer ba, kay kanang i-check nato kung unsa akong mga unsa ilang gipamalit sa akong mga amigo, sa akong mga higala na sila Haris, Sam, and Mr. Froilan. Yes, they are my co-workers, and at the same times they are my roommate, the good roommate that I had. So today I will reveal you guys what inside on it, and I hope we always think about how we spend our money, how we send it, how we divide it. So to all kababayan out there, especially here in Arab countries, so relate po kayo. So mga Bisaya dyan, thank you so much for watching, and I will show you what inside my freezer. So let me show you inside, guys, and thank you for all the subscribers to support me. It's meant to me a lot. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You're really well known for those OFW working abroad, especially here in Saudi. Ang pambansang Lego, proud to be the product of the Philippines. So Lego is pambansang food natin. So i-recommend ko kayo, guys. Actually, hindi ko na kayo i-recommend kasi talagang well known na to sa mga taong nagtitipid katulad ko. So to those people who wanted to save money, then this is the reason why I actually nakakatipid talaga siya kasi nakakatulong siya sa atin kasi mas mura. So inconvenience dahil mabilis lang lutuin. So nandito tayo ngayon. So, mayroon kaming tuna, century tuna. So, dito sa Saudi guys, maganda yung yung mga bilihin because they have a value pack. So, value pack. So, sorry, Bisaya ako, half pack, value pack. Sorry, Bisaya. So, mayroon kami ring Argentina. So, actually, I beef. So, stay put ka lang dyan para sa mga ka-friendly ko, sa mga ka-roommates ko. So, and also we have a soy sauce, dato puti, and we have the vinegar because Mr. Froilan always had a healthy living. So, every time he drink a small amount of vinegar, apple vinegar is good for your health guys, really recommended. And we have the pambansang peanut, but it's, and also what else? So we have here a super cute special I don't know, pansit. Yeah, pansit canton. So, for all kababayan, relate to the max kayo ngayon, no? So, Lego talaga. Na-shock talaga ako sa Lego, guys, because I love Lego. And also, the other one, products that Youngstown also, guys. That's 3 products that always reminds me a lot. So, this is the product that sa mga kababayan ko, sa mga OFW, you all guys relate what I mean. So, this is mga pambansang pagkain ng trabaho, nagpupuyat, naghihirap, nagsasakripisyo sa pamilya para lang makauwi ng pera sa ating bansa. So, sa ating OFW. So, lahat ng mga OFW dyan, shout out po. Tayo yung hero ng ating bansa. So, stay put lang. Good, think positive lang, guys. Focus lang sa work. Think positive. Ignore those people who are put you down because they're not gonna help you. Actually, they're gonna help you to pull you up. So, ini-immerse kayo, inaangat kayo sa tuktok na inyong mga pangarap. So, ito lang yung masasabi ko, guys. Be who you are. Be confident of who you are. Ignore those people who are pulling you down because they're always there. If they are think about that, guys, if you have haters, if you have buzzer, that means you are good enough. Not good, but you are still very good to those people around you because you are center of attraction. They know, they make buzzer with you because you are good enough. So, stay put lang, guys, and God bless us all. So, mag-wash muna ako ng clothes ko, uniform ko, because it's almost... To all Bisaya out there, to all OFW abroad. So, guess what? What is my lunch for today? So, I will really surprised when I open the container because it has with last oil to those Bisaya, to all Bisaya out there. You know already what I mean. Last oil is all about a vegetable, a mixed vegetables, and I really directly to get my camera to make a vlog for this food because this is very special for me because as a Bisaya, I'm very proud to have a last oil. And thank you for Mr. Froilan for making this. It's really delicious. It's made me like actual. Hello mga kabayan, mga Bisaya din ha. So I'm very got surprised about my lunch today. That's the reason why I quick to grab my camera and make it a vlog because this is something special to my heart. Oh my goodness, this is really special for me. So we will open it now. Open the mahiwagang lutuan. So this is it, guys. What I like this one is really you miss a Filipino culture, like a Bisaya culture. We always have a gulay in my vegetables in the table together with the family. So the bonding with the family is the most important memories or important time with our beloved parents, like your cousin, your sister, your brother, together in the table. It make me a lot of appreciation and it
make me feel at home. So when I saw this food like this, like what they call this one, then what they call this one? I forgot it. This last oil. So I feel at home. One plate of vegetables and rice. So let's have lunch, guys. To all OFW out there, to all my kababayan. So check it out. Here we are. So I'm gonna try the special food, special gulay, special vegetables in Bisaya. So last oy. So let's eat na mga guys, mga dog, mga inday, mga dunya, mga dog. Let's eat na.
Itlog ng mga kababayan natin dyan. Shout out naman sa lahat ng kababayan dyan. So, mayroon kaming itlog. So, this is the egg consumed for 3 weeks or 1 month. It depends about how we use it. So, pambansang itlog. Dagang kay itlog diri. Sus, ginoo ko. Ito yung pagkauna mo. Pambansang itlog. And also, we have itlog na pula. So, we bought this one in a Filipino market. So, we're so thankful because we have a Filipino market. So, this is the red egg. So, salted egg. So, maalat na itlog and also very passionate to always a big fan of almaray. So, I really love this one. This is my daily life. So, this is what I used to be. So, we have nadik to my friend also. We have lemon, frost. We been together every time na may off kami together, so we always drink lemon frostel. And also pambansang gulay ng ating mga OFW dyan. So mga OFW, so ito yung gulay area namin. So gulay pa more. So we have chili, we have luya, we have ginger, so we have this lemongrass. So sa Tagalog gusto ni siya lemongrass kanang gusto ni siya tanglad sa Bisaya o hindi ko sibuyas dahon na may sibuyas diri, onions guys, onions pa more. Bansang pang po naabot pa diri. So garlic nami diri, terenden nami diri guys. So malunggay, so we have malunggay and we have the hair orange. So, I love orange also, kami made from almaray. So, pineapple and orange. So, pambansang kuan guys. Amo nang sa mga OFW or relate pa more. So, we have chicken. So, this is the inside of my freezer. Anong rep? Ripon. Bisaya pa more. So, also, the freezer inside. So, we have pambansang manok pa more. So, alam na mga kuan dyan, OFW, relate to the maps, tipid pa more. So, we have manok diri, dagag manok. So, manok. Tubuan na tagkuan, buntot o kuan. So, pakpak buntot sam. So, we have, and si Sam yung nagbibihis. So, yun lang guys. So, mag-ready na ako kay time to work na. So guys, ito nga pala yung namin, munting freezer. Munti lang yung laman. So, may itlog kami, pambansang pagkain ng OFW. Hindi yan mawawala. Relate sa mga OFW dyan. Shout out naman. So, yan yun mga kuha namin itlog. May pula. O Sam, yan yung kaon nyo karon. O diet si Sam guys, nag-itlog. Ano ba yan? Pulang itlog o red egg, di ba? Maalat, salt egg. So, yan. Yung mga milk namin. So, inom ng mga OFW almaray. Ako dito. Parang good vibes naman guys. Frostel. Yan, iniinom namin yan pag nagtipon-tipon kami. Pag halimbawa, magkasabay kami ng mga off. So, kami as usual pambansang pagkain ng OFW, wala namang ibang pagkain We're always eating chicken, so that's the pambansang pagkain. Chili, I have chili, we have vegetables. Of course, we are vegetarian, so we must always have vegetables. So guys, pambansang malunggay. Papakita ko. So, freshly made from Nesto, guys.
Napod may mga bawang diri ko. May aswang, bawang pa more. So we have bawang, so onions, so garlic, so and onions na diri.
May luy-an na rin, napuntay pang bansang kuan. Oh, mais pa more. Oh, talo. I always push myself to be a vegetarian kasi tigulang na ta guys. Sus, Ginoo. Kana ra and sa lilipad na lang tayo guys kung maging manok tayo na go for have it free hot dog. Kana ra gyud yung ano na madali dali.